vehicle to lithium batteries but unsure what you should do to make the conversions. If you're looking at lithium batteries for these vehicles, you can enjoy all the benefits of the lithium powers. For the lead-acid batteries, it has a short range, only lasts 2 to 4 years, and require the complicated maintenance like need to add the watering and add the acids every week, and also it took up to 12 hours to charge, and it is very heavy, which reduces the performance of your vehicles. A lithium battery golf cart conversions can be a very simple process and also can be dependent upon the lithium options you choose for your vehicles. Here are some things that need to be considered before selecting which lithium golf cart batteries you will install previous for your considerations. Step 1. What voltage battery does your model need? Most golf carts they are 36 volt or 48 volt. Some larger vehicles can be up to 72 volt, like the ATV or the neighborhood electric vehicles. If none of these above your voltage, you will need to open up the areas where your current batteries are. You can check your current lead-acid batteries to find out what the lithium battery will need. For example, if your current lead-acid battery is 6 volt lithium batteries, you could calculate to multiply the lithium battery voltage should be 36 volt. Step 2. What size battery do you need? The first thing to look for when upgrading to lithium is that you are choosing a drop-in replacement size batteries. The most common lead-acid golf cart battery is a group size golf cart 2, golf cart A batteries. Therefore, if you choose a lithium battery that is the same size, such as BSLBATT 48 lithium golf cart battery, it will make for much easier installation because in numbers of the batteries meet the voltage requirement. You install the number of the batteries will give you the mileage range you desire. You can use as few as 1 battery or up to 3 batteries in a typical golf cart. Step 3. Choose a BSL lithium battery of the same voltage. To upgrade your system to lithium, choose the same voltage in BSL lithium battery. Your vehicle motive happy with any voltage as long as it's the same. For example, if your golf cart has been running on a 36 volt tube out of 6 multiplied 6 volt lead-acid golf cart, you can replace it with a BSL 36 volt 860 ampere hour lithium battery as well. So you can refer this cable for your choice.